So Msisi says to Malife, you know that thing where everyone said an African man does not cry. He always have to have the build up inside and be strong. Strong inside out. You cannot cry. That thing does not work. And if you're going through something, you need to speak it up. You can cry if you want to, because after all, you're also human. And people don't recognize that men are also human beings and they do go through things that every other person do go through. Now, this was a conversation that happened between Umsizi and Molefe. Soon after, on yesterday's episode, Molefe, there was a guy that walked in and he had a child and he was playing with his child. And then Molefe was taken aback memory lane where he was thinking of his son, telling the son, well, what was supposed to be his son, or who was supposed to be his son. He was taken back memory lane when he was talking to um, the person that was supposed to be his son, telling him that this is all my establishment. I want you to take over me, over when I like retire. Now it just took him back to the storyline where he was hurt, going through things with the ex-wife. Now he started crying, getting emotional, thinking how he lost umdin wake just like that, and he didn't think that the wife was cheating. And we are in a situation where he cannot hold it in anymore. And unfortunately for him, that scenario happened during working hours, and it happened in front of customers, and which the customer asked for Mulife's number, and Mulife was not happy that his number was given out, but the customer asked for Mulife's number. But then unfortunately the customer, I think, ended up speaking to Msizi, which then prompted Msizi to come and have a conversation with Umlife. So now Umlife was saying that what he is going through, it's a lot, and he does not have amandla ukuthi akhulume ngayo. This is like soon after he had that date, if you remember. He just had a date with that lady that he lied to, and then he decided to go back and tell the truth. And then they decided, okay, let's start over, let's start everything over. And the date really went well, but he was holding back. It's like he was uncomfortable to a point that even Tato was able to see. Then he asked him, face like, you can't go how so detach, and you need a way to move on and start afresh. Because even the girl did tell him, Horobona, when I got a house of it, the man montong za how utanzu dileli divorce ya how, and then utlaba sharp because no ya na like you still clinging there. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing House of Zwide Ndima Dekwana Sanbonana Absini Malweni Minjani Hipukila Hingongwina. So namutla kano kwa hina wa House of Zwide hikuma korosla temsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that when a conversation sparked between Tato and Mulife, it did not sit well with Umlife to a point where he started saying like piece off. This thing, I want to move on with my life, but the bottom line is you have never dealt with anything around your life, so which became a problem. On the other hand, then we find Prophet Ezekiel, he is now teaming up to get people that he is going to dispatch Horbabe the watchdogs around the community, because he feels that the current people that are in power or in position are not doing what they're supposed to be doing. This speaks to Isaac. Now, untite the pamphlet, and then they were talking about how people in the position of power, they're just eating money and not doing what they're supposed to do. Lente leyo ihete umdeni, because they were sitting on a dinner table and having good time, and until when they saw what was posted, and that broke Isaac down. And I'm just thinking, Marakota waisimvumela prophet. It looks like he does not trust anybody, because according to him, he says he trusts nobody. And I'm thinking, if you are working with him and he does not trust you, then what is the reason there? Because he's got his own best interest. He's a narcissist. Now, a report was given to him, Horim. Isaac's wife was given a message to tell Isaac, and we're hoping that he got the message. Now, the problem with all this was that, as he was told, he said the message was sent to him nicely this time. So it means that the next time it won't be nicely. Ay, guys, kahle ngodlame. Why are we fighting? Why can't we just, okay, but he's not here to build anything. He's just here to ravaza everything and make sure that ushiya ithembise phansi phezulu. Because personally, I foresee him living with all this. Ngimbona nje azodla imali, because he even, this thing yakhe yokuya esantene asebenzisa abantwana ukuthi bothola imali, he's constantly doing it and the money is going to his pocket. Yo, akahambe, shame.